Good morning, traders. This is Nick Mastrandrea with Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias report for Wednesday, October 2nd. It's a little after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia closed mixed, if you will, with about half the indices closing to the upside and the other half trading to the downside. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, Europe is mainly trading to the downside. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, the US dollar is trading down. Energies in terms of crude is also trading down. As of this writing, there is no correlation between the US dollar and crude. Financials in terms of the bonds, they're trading higher. Again, there is no correlation between bonds and the US dollar. Indices, and this is pretty much across the board, they are all trading down. The S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, all trading to the downside. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher. And I suspect the reason for that is basically the fear factor. It appears as though the fear factor is starting to emerge in the gold market. If we were to take a look at economic news that could potentially be driving the markets today, the big one for the U.S., for us, is going to be ADP non-farm employment change, which is out at 8:15 a.m. East Coast time. The rest of the day is going to be dedicated to crude oil inventories, which is usual and customary for Wednesday, and that comes out at 10:30. But we also have a couple of FOMC members speaking, and we also have Ben Bernanke speaking at 3:30 p.m. Now, that could be a game changer, if you will, because depending upon what he says, it could drive the markets either up or down. And he's going to be doing this at 3:30 in the afternoon, shortly before the market closes. Basically, our bias, all this being said, our bias is to the downside today. We really don't see any evidence of an upside market potential, at least as of this writing. Could this change? Absolutely. The ADP non-farm payroll employment change could be a game changer, if you will. And also, it depends upon what the FOMC members says. It also depends upon what Ben Bernanke says at 3:30. But currently, right now, bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps, and look forward to the next time with you.